Development no kare mungshani man mungkere o lamano riginyo sikangi tongo haste habang Tangsalo Indranogoni IT babano Basiz Fund Service Operation Center Tangsalo rimani pandawo kok sanani thangai abahanyo kok saka hasteni montri okra Dr.Manik Saha Tangsalo hasteni montri okra Dr.Manik Sahani yaktei Phiyogwi Rwjakha Indranogorni IT babano snamiti sajak Basiz Fund Service Operation Center Indranogor IT babani kaibre malawo snamiti sajaka o Basiz Fund Service Operation Center ni office hasteo ketalke o mothaboroni samung betang siang sawi remani bagai khorok siba samung gre sikla rok sebo klainani shep manka Pandau kok sanani thangai hasteni montri okra Dr.Manik Saha saka haste hafang nayo development klainani haktoni montri bokrokbo development no kare mungsa wan chukya development no kare mungshani man mungkere o lamano riginyo sikangai tongo haste hafang hnei
Inaugurating, and I went there. The spaces given by our IT department. So when he said that we want to do something, I said that the tree is known by its fruits. Let's see in future what you can give to our children or our state. Then we can appreciate your efforts. Of course, I always have hope that it will be done very nicely. And we also proudly, we can tell the people that yes, we can also do. We can also do. So, and what I have seen also, I have read that beforehand to start this summit, from our government side, they had went to Mumbai, and there they had also participated in summit there, and they also invited their other investor to invest in Tripura. So in future, I think other peoples also will come because already about so many peoples in IT sector to 8 they have signed in MOU. In other sectors also they have given their consent, and in future I'm sure that this our Tripura state will progress in a right directions, and we are eager to welcome all those peoples, and we want development. And our Prime Minister, Honorable Prime Minister, he wants only development. Without development, he never thinks anything. Recently, we had some political meeting in Telangana. There also he said that without development, nothing can be achieved. Without development, nothing can be given to the people. Merely telling something and without doing anything, it will not suffice the people. So ultimately, in action, he said that look at Northeast and act at Northeast. And accordingly, this Basiz Fund Service, they are doing a good job. And I think in future they will do their best. And from government side, we always will help them out. And with this end in view, I conclude my speech. Thank you.
Siang samani panda paimani yagulo Basiz Fund Service Operation Center ni tangnok berai naikya hasteni montri okra Dr.Manik Saha. Rwjakha aguli nishimi pranamni kokthum Chini Khorang.